Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on location. In grade or year 1, students need to know about the idea of location. In simple terms, location refers to the position of an object in relation to another object. In the picture to the left, we will look at the location or position of the boy in relation to different objects. Number 1, the boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting on the grass. The boy is sitting near the tree. The words under, on and near are words that describe location or position. Some other words that describe location or position are below, above, behind, between, inside, outside, left, right, north, south, east, west. And there are many more, and I'm sure you can think of them. The position of the following objects can be described from our point of view. That is, assume we are looking at the computer screen. So from our point of view, for example, what I mean is that this direction here, that's left, and this direction here is right. That's from our point of view. The plant is in the pot. That's easy to see. The plant is on the desk. The screen is near the plant. That's the screen there. The carpet is under the table. So the 4 words of position are in bold: in, on, near, under. Now here we have 6 pictures which describe the position or location of the ball in relation to other objects. The ball is above the bench. The ball is over the stool. The ball is on the swing. The ball is off the swing. The ball is between the bottles. And the ball is under the stool. So they're all very self-explanatory. Grids. We can also use grids to describe the position or location of one object in relation to one or more other objects. Assume we are looking at the grid on the computer screen. We can describe the position from our point of view. So the same as the last slide, that direction is left from where we're looking, and that direction is right, for example. Number 1. The bell is to the left of the drum. So have a look at that and make sure you agree with it. The bag is under the pig. The frog is to the right of the bag. The meat is above the frog. The hat is near the bag. The pig is below the bell. And that's the position word there, below. So the 6 position words are left, under, right, above, near and below. So this video has given you a simple introduction to position and location, and we've looked at some of the important words we use.